guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys could know how many times I've been meaning to upload this video, it's been quite a while. I mean, the last time I checked that I uploaded anything was 5 months ago. I actually filmed this exact tutorial a couple months ago that I've been meaning to upload, but it never happened. And since it's now approaching winter, I decided to just kind of refilm it to make it more seasonal appropriate. So that's what I'm doing right now. If you want to see the eyebrow tutorial, you are more than welcome to kind of skip ahead and watch that. But I'm just gonna kind of free flow it right now and just talk my way through. You can see here from my brows, they're filled in right now, but I came out with this amazing method. I don't know if other people have done this before. I definitely have never seen it, but it's something that I've kind of tested out over the last year, and this method has been working great for me. I'm a huge eyebrow fanatic. I've tested every single product, almost every single product that there is to try. Anytime that I see any new eyebrow product, I am on it. I'm always trying it out, but it never really kind of works out for me. There are days when I have good brows and there are days when I don't have good brows, and my brows are very thin and sparse, so I really do need to draw them in, and I don't like them when they don't look very natural. When I figured out this technique, I have been meaning to share it with you guys because I know some of you will really like it. And it's worked every single time for me. There hasn't been a single time where it didn't work out. So I'm so excited to share that with you. So this is what they look like when they're all filled in, just very nice and soft. I don't like my brows too arched or too straight. Just kind of following the natural curvature of my brows. So I start off with this. Just tap it like this. Just creating a nice matte base to work with. After the powder, I go straight into using my brow products. First product I use, and this is very important, is this brow powder. I'm using this in Granite. I use a shade that is as close to my current hair color as possible, since I currently dyed my hair dark brown black. This is the natural shape of my brows. I'm gonna go slightly above and slope it down as it naturally does, and then frame it towards the front. This is just outlining the shape and how much I want to fill in. And then I go right below and grab again the shape that I want to create and connect the tail and bring it slightly forward here as well. And that is it. You can see here how I instantly created the shape that I wanted. And it's like a coloring book now. You just have to go and fill in the little areas that you want to fill in, and you're done with your brows. Starting from the ends, just filling it in. And I press a little bit harder at the ends, and then gently drag it forward towards the front, and this creates a nice softer gradation to the brows. That is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you're having trouble finding a way to master your brows and make them look awesome every single time, try this out. I can't believe it took me so long to kind of find the right techniques to finally achieve the brows that I like to have on my face every morning. So this saved me so much time. So hope you try it out. And before I leave, I wanted to share with you a couple jewelry pieces from Ana Luisa that I picked out, and I have been wearing them non-stop every single day, and they're so work appropriate too. So the first piece actually is what I am wearing right now. I wear these every day. There are days when I don't even take them off, to be honest, because I don't even notice that they're in my ears. It's made of real gold, and I love how they kind of hug the ears. Two other pieces that I was surprised about are these two necklaces. I'm not a huge necklace person at all. I rarely wear necklaces, and so I just picked them up because I know how popular they were on the website, and I'm so glad that I did. The first is this horn piece, this horn charm. Try to get this focused here. It's a beautiful piece there, and you can actually layer these two together if you want, but I like to wear them separately. And it gives that right amount of gold to your neck and puts together your whole outfit. So I've been pleasantly surprised with these, especially this heart one. It's a very thin piece and it rests so nicely on your neck. I don't know, I just think it's like the most perfect necklace that you can have. And that is it for you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it's kind of been all over the place, but I'll be back for sure. And the recent update that I have for you guys is that I am moving to New York for the next year, which I'm so excited about. So the next time you'll see me will be when I'm in New York. I'm actually moving next week, so if you guys want to see like an apartment tour, and that's probably when I'm gonna be doing the most amount of vlogs for you guys, so that should be really fun. I'm so sorry for all this sporadic vlogs that I'm kind of tossing out randomly. I hope I can be a little bit more regular with these uploads. It's just taking some time, but for those of you who keep coming back, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you follow me on Instagram, Wezzo88, I am definitely a lot more regular on there. So if you want to follow me there, you're more than welcome to add me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.